Our efforts to make information interesting continue. Boy, is that a tough job, making information interesting. But we are getting better at it as we go. So we have our information nice and organized. We have our days, we have the temperatures, but it could be better. We have our borders, like it, but that's not quite enough. First, I think these guys should be a bit more prominent. Let's make them larger. So up here, we're able to play with our fonts. Bet you thought that fonts only existed and were able to play within Word. Well, you would have been wrong, but not you guys. You're super smart. You didn't want to think that. Looking right here, I'm going to make these a little bit bigger. If I hit the A, make it a little larger like this, notice we're getting larger. Once again, I need to adjust my column. Kind of fun. I'd also highlight these guys. I want to make them bold. There we go, a little thicker. That's cool. Not good enough though. So I'm going to highlight these again. We can change the color. Now they are red. Maybe temperature should be red, and let's make days into a bit of a cooler blue. How about that? Now I want my information to pop here a little bit. I want my days of the week. I'm not going to change the color of the font. Instead, here's a fun new word. I'm going to change the color of the fill. Think about our cells. Our cell, it's a box. What do we want to do? Fill up the box with a new color. In this case, these are our theme colors. It already is on yellow, and bam! So we have that looking lovely. And for our temperatures, I'm going to give them a fill color, one that's a little warmer to me. And let's go right there for it. So this is what I want you to do. Change the size of our font. If we get wacky, you can change how the font looks as well. Actually, we can go, that's one of my faves there. It ends up being a little bit bigger. And then I want you to change the fill for everything else that we have. Kind of fun. Let's give that a shot.